The starter plays a critical role in your car's operation, as it's responsible for turning the engine to begin the combustion process. Once the engine turns, the ECM takes over, managing fuel and spark. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many car owners face: the symptoms of a bad starter. The starter is typically located near the flywheel or flex plate of the engine. Here's what it looks like on a Toyota Camry. First symptom: no crank, no start. This is one of the most common signs of a failing starter. Why it happens? There's likely an internal electrical issue. Either the starter solenoid isn't functioning, or the brushes inside the starter are worn out. Worn brushes can't pass current through the commutator, leaving the starter unable to turn. Quick tip: try this trick. Have someone tap the starter lightly with a dead blow hammer while you turn the key. If the brushes shift into better contact with the commutator, this might temporarily get your car started. Second symptom: one-click sound. If you turn the key and hear a single click, but the engine doesn't turn, this might be your problem. What's happening? The solenoid activates the plunger, which moves the pinion gear outward to touch the flywheel, but the starter motor doesn't turn. This is often caused by an electrical fault inside the starter. Third symptom: slow crank when starting. A slow or labored cranking sound is another sign of trouble. Reason: poor contact between the brushes and the commutator restricts the flow of current. Without enough power, the motor can't produce the torque needed to crank the engine. Fourth symptom is starter spins, but engine doesn't. You might hear the starter running, but the engine doesn't turn. What's wrong? The starter's pinion gear isn't moving outward to connect with the flywheel or flex plate. Without this connection, the engine won't rotate. Last symptom is grinding noise while cranking. If you hear a grinding noise when you try to start your car, the starter could be the culprit. Cause: the pinion gear might be damaged. If it doesn't mesh properly with the flywheel or flex plate, you'll hear grinding. Before concluding that your starter is faulty, it's important to check a few other things. Battery health: ensure your battery is fully charged and in good condition. Connections: look for corroded or loose connections between the battery and starter. Here's a quick list of issues that can mimic a bad starter. Weak battery, faulty ignition switch, bad starter relay, wiring problems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.